Do you ever feel stuck in a cycle of bad habits like scrolling endlessly on your phone, skipping workouts, or procrastinating every important task? You're not alone. Today, I'll show you exactly why these habits stick and how you can finally break free. Let's transform your life starting today. Why bad habits stick? Let's start with the science. Bad habits stick because they trigger the brain's reward system. Whether it's junk food or checking social media, your brain gets a quick dopamine hit and that feels good. But here's the catch: your brain doesn't care if it's good for you. It just wants the easy reward. That's why bad habits are so hard to break, they're designed to be addictive. The habit loop explained. Every habit follows a loop: cue, routine, and reward. White heavy check mark the cue, you feel stressed. White heavy check mark the routine, you eat chips. White heavy check mark the reward, you feel comforted for a moment. But over time, this loop becomes automatic. The more you repeat it, the deeper it's wired into your brain. Common bad habits in the U.S. Let's be real. In the US, common bad habits include excessive screen time, mobile phone, skipping meals or eating fast food, hamburger, procrastination, 3 o'clock, lack of sleep, sleeping face. These habits don't just affect your productivity, they impact your mental health, relationships, and future success. How to break free, step by step. Now for the part you've been waiting for: how to break free. Follow these steps. 1. Awareness is key. Track your habits for a week. Write them down. Awareness is the first step to change. 2. Replace, don't just remove. You can't simply stop a habit, you must replace it. Backhand index pointing right instead of scrolling at night, read 10 pages of a good book. Backhand index pointing right instead of soda, try lemon water or tea. 3. Change your environment. If chips are in your house, you'll eat them. Remove triggers from your surroundings. Create an environment that supports the habits you want. 4. Use the 2-minute rule. Make new habits so easy you can't say no. Want to build a workout habit? Start with 2 minutes of stretching. Just 2 minutes. 5. Stay accountable. Find a friend, coach, or online group. Share your goals. When someone's watching, you're more likely to show up. Real talk and motivation. Breaking bad habits isn't about being perfect, it's about being consistent. You will mess up. That's okay. What matters is getting back on track. Small changes, repeated daily, lead to big transformations. Remember, you're not stuck. You're just one decision away from a better life. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GR Mindset Hub for more mindset and success tips every week. Speech balloon comment below: which habit are you trying to break right now? Let's build a powerful community together.